Good morning, everyone. My name is T. Dinesh Reddy. I am studying in 8th standard at KB School. Now I am going to explain about friction. What is friction? It is an opposing force that opposes the motion of one body over the surface of another body. Frictional force. Frictional force come to notice only when two surfaces comes in contact with each other in contact force. It is offered by solid, liquids and gases. It is maximum in solids and minimum in gases. When we rub our hands, we get the solid friction. Body and water in contact, we get fluid friction. When the airplane in the air, we get wind friction. Causes of friction. The surface of solid that appear to be smoother or not actually. Smooth they possess the irregularities, that is ridges and grooves. When this type of surfaces comes in contact with other surfaces, their ridges and grooves get interlocked and opposing force comes into which notice opposes the motion. Factors affecting friction. Nature of surfaces. Friction is caused due to the interlocking of irregularities between the two surfaces in contact. Smooth surface. Smooth surface have minute irregularities between the two surfaces. Rough surface. Rough surfaces have larger irregularities between the two surfaces. So force of friction is more if the surface are rough. Four types of friction. Static friction. Friction of force on stationary object. Example, book sitting on desk. Sliding friction. Friction acting on object sliding over a surface. Example, pushing a box. Rolling friction. Friction acting on object that rolling. Example, car tired. Fluid friction. Friction acting on object going through a fluid. Example, fluid, liquid or gases. Example, swimming or air resistance. Thank